When you're working in remote locations, you really need to be prepared for the day ahead. This means you need tools and equipment you can rely on. Given the nature of what I do, I try to use tools that have a minimal impact on the environment. My name's Adam, I'm an estate manager, and today we're heading out to a remote rural location.
So we're here on this country estate setting up some stock fencing for some conservation grazing we hope to do. We've been out on this fence for a couple of days now, just securing this enclosure. The power and the runtime has been amazing. I've not had to change the battery yet. Had we come out and the battery had died, the fact that the battery is interchangeable with my other tools is a really great feature. I'm very happy with it. So I've been really impressed with Milwaukee's own design staple. These are the 40mm staple. The fact that they come in their own little magazines is great. Nice big barb on them, and with working on this chestnut I'm absolutely confident that they won't pull out. So the fact we're able to move through the jobs very quickly with this tool is great, particularly if we had a damaged fence or something like that. I can grab the tool straight from the shed, I can grab the battery from one of my other Milwaukee tools and get straight out and get the fence repaired and the livestock secure. Working out in the countryside, it's important to be able to grab tools that are robust and efficient and able to tackle the job. The fact that this just runs off a single battery rather than having the addition of gas means that there's less consumables to worry about. I can grab it straight from the workshop, get out on the job, get the fencing secure and move on to the next thing.